Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Check $PS version table. PS version to ensure compatibility, then open PowerShell with administrator rights if you will install modules system-wide. Once done, set an execution policy for the current user. Set execution policy, remote sign scope current user, so unsigned scripts won't block you. You also may need NuGet provider. If prompted to install it, approve the prompt. These steps prepare the session, so enabling Psreadline proceeds without permission or provider errors. Next, you install and load Psreadline. Run install module name Psreadline for scope current user to get the latest release into your profile scope. If you used administrator, choose all users. Once installed, import it immediately with import module Psreadline. Then configure sensible defaults. For example, set Psreadline option edit mode windows to use familiar keyboard behavior. You can also set colors and history size. These commands change how the editor behaves so your interactive shell feels consistent across sessions. Finally, persist the change by adding import module Psreadline to your PowerShell profile file. Notepad $profile and save. Restart PowerShell to ensure the module loads automatically and your set Psreadline option settings take effect. If something goes wrong, make sure the module exists with get module list available Psreadline and inspect $env, PS module path for the install folder. One key troubleshooting tip. If import module fails, rerun install module with force and check execution policy, and NuGet installation prompts before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.